Hey guys, what's going on? This is going to be a pretty quick video, but as you can see here, I got a package in from Airflow Research. I'm rather excited because I have a weird feeling that this is probably a set of cylinder heads, and I'm kind of looking forward to getting these out of the box and taking a look at them. So here we go, let's unbox this. Alrighty, I got the stables out. I couldn't really do that one-handed, so anyways, let's finish cutting this open. Take a look at what's inside here. Alrighty, so up top here, so those are the washers to use the head bolts with this aluminum head. What are these? Here's rocker studs. And I believe those are ARP ones actually, but I'm not entirely sure. And those are the guide plates. Now for the fun part, here's the actual head under this. There we go, look at that. Alrighty, here it is outside of the box. So, pretty nice looking head. Obviously just kind of more important to see how they do on the car, but what is that? It's California warning? That's gonna give me cancer. Look at that. That's too bad. Oh well. You only live once, huh? Yeah, these are pretty nice looking. Yeah, so anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll hopefully get these onto the car or the engine here pretty soon. And one of these days I'll probably get the thing running. Oh, and also it does come with stickers in the bottom of the box, so cool. See you in another one.